Blenders are a staple in any kitchen, whether for making smoothies, soups, or sauces. The Ninja Blender series is widely regarded for its performance and affordability, but there are other top-quality options in the market as well. Here, we'll review the Ninja Professional Plus blender, along with two popular competitors, the Vitamix E310 Explorian and the NutriBullet RX. Each blender has unique pros and cons that make it better suited for different types of kitchen needs and budgets. 1. Ninja Professional Plus Blender. Overview. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender, model BN701, is known for its strong 400-watt motor and 3 Auto IQ preset programs, which simplify the process of making smoothies, ice cream, and frozen drinks. With its 72-ounce pitcher, it's perfect for family-sized portions and can handle crushing ice and frozen fruit with ease. Pros: powerful performance for the price. The Ninja Professional Plus blender stands out for its power in relation to its cost. With 1,400 watts, it handles a variety of blending tasks, from pureeing vegetables to crushing ice. Easy-to-use preset programs. The Auto IQ feature offers one-touch blending programs that vary speeds and pulses for better blending, making it easy for users to achieve consistent results without guessing. Large capacity. The 72-ounce pitcher is larger than most, making it perfect for preparing larger quantities for family meals or gatherings. Sturdy and durable. The Ninja Professional Plus blender is built to last, with a solid design that holds up well under regular use. Its sturdy base prevents it from moving while blending at high speeds. Cons: noisy. Like many high-powered blenders, the Ninja can be quite loud, which may be a drawback for users who want a quieter option. Limited versatility. While it does well with smoothies and crushing ice, it may struggle with tasks requiring more finesse, like making nut butter or heating soups via friction, which more expensive models can handle. Basic controls. Although it has preset functions, the Ninja lacks variable speed control, which limits customization in blending texture. 2. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Overview. Vitamix blenders are the gold standard for many professional chefs and home cooks, and the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender is a more affordable model in their lineup. It features a powerful motor, variable speed control, and a pulse feature, which allow for precise control over texture and consistency. Pros: exceptional versatility and control. The Vitamix E310 offers 10 speed settings, which let users create a variety of textures, from silky smoothies to chunky salsas. The pulse feature provides an extra layer of control for specific recipes, making it a favorite for culinary enthusiasts. High-performance motor. With a 2-horsepower motor, the E310 is built to handle challenging ingredients like nuts, ice, and frozen fruits, delivering a smooth blend every time. It also heats ingredients through friction, which allows users to make hot soups right in the blender. Self-cleaning. Feature: the E310 is designed to be easy to clean. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, it can self-clean in under a minute. This feature saves time and makes maintenance a breeze. Durable and long-lasting. Vitamix products are known for their durability. The E310 is backed by a 5-year warranty, which speaks to its longevity. Cons: high price point. Compared to the Ninja, the Vitamix E310 is significantly more expensive. Although it's a quality investment, it may be less appealing for users who only need a blender for basic tasks. Smaller pitcher. The E310 comes with a 48-ounce pitcher, which is smaller than the Ninja's, limiting its capacity for large batches. No preset programs. Unlike the Ninja, the Vitamix E310 lacks preset functions. This means users need to manually control speed and pulse settings, which might require a learning curve for some. Best for users seeking precise control over texture and consistency, those who make hot soups or nut butter, and those looking for a high-quality, long-term investment. 3. NutriBullet RX. Overview. The NutriBullet RX is a powerful blender designed primarily for smoothies and soups. With a 700-watt motor, it can handle tough ingredients, and it even includes a heating cycle to make hot soups. The NutriBullet RX is a personal-sized blender, but it's powerful enough to blend smoothies, sauces, and soups with ease. Pros: high power for a compact blender. The NutriBullet RX1 700-watt motor provides impressive power, allowing it to blend frozen fruits, vegetables, and even seeds with ease. This makes it an excellent option for users who want high power in a small footprint. Soup-making function. One standout feature is its ability to heat soup through a special 7-minute cycle, allowing users to blend and heat ingredients in one step. Convenient and quick. The NutriBullet RX is ideal for users who prioritize convenience. It blends quickly and requires minimal setup, making it easy to use on a daily basis. Compact and space-saving. Its smaller size makes it easier to store than both the Ninja and Vitamix, and it's particularly suitable for small kitchens or single-serving needs. Cons: limited versatility. The NutriBullet RX lacks variable speed control and customization, limiting it primarily to smoothies and soups. It may not be as effective for recipes requiring texture control, like chunky sauces or salsas. Noisy operation. Despite its compact size, the NutriBullet RX can be quite loud, especially when blending hard ingredients. Smaller capacity. With its personal-size blending cups, the RX isn't intended for large batches, so it's not ideal for family use. Additionally, its build is more prone to wear over time compared to the Vitamix or Ninja models. Best for individuals looking for a compact, powerful blender for smoothies and soups, especially those who prefer a quick, no-fuss experience. In conclusion, each of these blenders has unique strengths that make it suitable for different needs. Ninja Professional Plus Blender. This model is best for users who want an affordable, family-sized blender with strong power and preset programs. While it doesn't offer the versatility of other high-end models, it's ideal for basic kitchen tasks like making smoothies and frozen drinks. Vitamix E310 Explorian. For those who want professional-grade control and don't mind investing in a high-end appliance, the Vitamix E310 is hard to beat. With its variable speed options and pulse feature, it provides unparalleled control over blending textures and can handle everything from hot soups to nut butters. NutriBullet RX. Perfect for personal-sized servings. The NutriBullet RX combines high power with a compact design and even offers a unique soup-making function. It's a great choice for single users who prioritize ease of use and quick meal prep. Ultimately, choosing the right blender depends on how you plan to use it. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender provides the most value for family use at an affordable price, while the Vitamix E310 is ideal for serious cooks seeking precision and versatility. The NutriBullet RX, meanwhile, offers a compact solution for smoothie lovers and individuals wanting quick, nutritious meals without taking up much space in the kitchen.